Introducing the USG Assembly Builder. It's a new Revit plugin that helps architects deliver wall and floor ceiling assemblies faster and easier than ever. Designing in Revit can be complicated and tedious. You're either building assemblies layer by layer or using out-of-the-box options with very little performance data to back them up. That means you spend extra time designing, checking, redesigning, and so on. There has to be a better way, right? Well, with USG Assembly Builder, there is. All it takes is 3 clicks to deliver the wall and floor ceiling assemblies you need. Launch the tool, select your performance, and generate the spec. 1, 2, 3. It's easy. Let's build a floor ceiling assembly. Select the required assembly type, impact sound rating and fire rating, and filter by structural system. USG Assembly Builder displays all the relevant floors that match your criteria and gives you all the accurate performance data you need to integrate into your project. And you can have the confidence that all listed assemblies are certified by UL and the Gypsum Association and backed by a name you trust, USG. Simply draw in Revit, and Assembly Builder goes to work, removing the manual work, helping you arrive at design decisions faster. Same thing with the walls. 1, 2, 3. Once your design is complete, generate the spec, and the plugin does the rest, including partition and floor ceiling schedules, estimated material quantities, and embodied carbon calculations. You can even make edits after you generate the spec. USG Assembly Builder, wall and floor ceiling assemblies faster and easier than ever.